Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I fill in my brows. And for this I'm using the Wet n Wild brow kit. It has a wax and 2 shades of brown. Also comes with a tweezer and a brush, but I'm just going to use a color bar flat brush for this one. I'm just using the light brown in the kit and just really roughly outlining my eyebrows. I always establish the shape at the beginning and then continue to fill it in. So it's always best to start with a lighter color. I've honestly done the mistake of filling my brows with a darker shade directly and it would look really boxy and overly drawn. So I just use this method instead. I like taking it step by step with really light feathery strokes. As you can see, I'm just going in with the darker brown and just filling in the arch of my brows again with light and feathery strokes. Also giving the brows some shape while I'm doing it. Honestly, your brow tool really depends on how you like your brows to look and how your natural brow shape is, and depending on that, you can either choose a gel form or a pencil or a powder form. Me personally, I love a natural looking brow, so I follow my natural brow shape and size. So the powder form works best for me. It just accentuates my eyebrows without looking unnatural. I'm just going ahead and filling it in wherever I see gaps. Feel free to use a spoolie to dust off any excess, I was going to say excess, but any excess product, especially at the beginning of your brow. There you go, just very lightly blend it in. And that's it, my brows are ready. However, I do wish I had a spoolie just so I could set my brows in place and make them a little more perfect. But I hope you like this video. Do subscribe, share and like and comment if you like it, and I can make more such videos. Bye!